Hello, welcome to today's video. I am making some Christmas folios. This is all the same kit, they're just kind of two different styles that I chose to make them. The only difference that you guys really need to know is that there's these pieces right here, this like whitish pinkish piece, and right here, that you can put on the inside or on the outside, and you get to decide which side is your front. So on this one, this piece here and this background here, they're the same piece, but one is my front and one is the inside. So let's just jump right into the video and I will link the kits. I am assembling my new listing I just put on Etsy. It is part of the North Pole collection, which has been just such a fun project and lots of cute papers, but I am assembling the mini folio that goes with it. It's not fancy at all, just super simple, super cute. I'm just gonna, if you want to follow along, feel free. I'll link the kit below, and yeah, we'll just get started. So I printed everything on 110-pound cardstock, just any light cardstock would be good. And then this paper, you're gonna print backing paper on. This is the one I included in the kit, but it doesn't really matter. If you have another paper you'd like, just print that as backing paper as well. Then you're going to cut everything out and make your creases and ink everything, and then you should be good, caught up to me, and we can get started. These look really good when they are in like a journal, just glued in like that, or you can stick them in a pocket, just whatever you would like. This is the outside, that's how I wanted it to look. And then there's the inside. And so I'm gonna grab these three pieces and glue them down here. One thing that I've seen some people do that looks really cool is they glue those three sides down and leave that open, and they kind of keep it as a pocket. So that is an option, feel free to do that. And I don't know if you could tell in the video, but this is kind of like a light pink with some light greens. It's super pretty. I really like it. And I'm just going to glue down. And I'm going to try really hard to center it on the rectangle it is on. But of course, easier said than done, especially for me. And then just go ahead and do that with each piece. And you guys, Christmas is right around the corner and I'm so excited. I love Christmas papers. Like, Halloween's great and Thanksgiving is great, but anything to do with Christmas and I'm there. I love Christmas. I love to share with things, food, junk journal projects. I just love it. I love the season. Everyone's so happy and it's just great. Okay, so this is kind of what we have right now. And I'm gonna grab this glue, art glitter glue. And now I'm grabbing my pockets. So it's essentially just gonna look like this. You can always customize it how you would like. I really recommend getting the glue as close as possible to the edges. Uh-oh, mine might be dried out. I'm scared. It might explode. Let's see. Sorry, this was not part of the plan today. If we just try it now. Oh, it's coming out a little bit at a time. Yeah, but just get close to those edges. If you end up making your pockets too small, like gluing too much, that's okay. Just, you might have to trim down some of your ephemera. So as you can see, like, there's not a whole ton of wiggle room, but I might have to trim that down. We'll see. I don't know yet. I'm gonna move on to these little pockets. I've done a few of these folio designs and I'm still doing them because I like them a lot. They're really fun. Oh, perfect. There we go. I think there's like 6 things in the North Pole collection. I'm not sure, but my favorite is releasing on November 1st. Yeah, November 1st. And it's an advent calendar. And it's so cute. I'm really excited for you guys to see it. I'm also a little nervous because sometimes I make things and I'm like, oh, everyone's gonna love this. And then occasionally I'll get some like comments about nobody's ever gonna use this in their life. And I'm like, oh, okay. But luckily, there's a lot more positive comments out there, which inspires me to keep creating. There. I don't know about you guys, but my favorite paper ever is this one. I love it. So cute. Okay. Then from there, you have some options. There's lots of like little Christmas ephemera and words and little options for you to work with. This is probably going to be my cover piece. But let's take a look at it and let's see, kind of see what the options are. See, this is what I was thinking. I could always do a little collage. A little Merry Christmas right there. Maybe some lace on the other side. So that's one option. I think I'm going to leave those aside for now. I'm going to put this here. That there, maybe. And this one will go in here. Then I got these ones. Maybe, I don't know quite for sure where I want to put everything. Wait, this one goes in here. Looks like I added a little too much. Oh, nope, we're good. That will go there. There's some pink details. Perfect. I actually kind of like that one in there. I might just leave this one out. I think I could fit both if I left enough room. This little detail here. I mean, this folio is mostly self-explanatory, but it's just, if there was any confusion or need for inspiration, then hey, this is that. This is perfect for that. I really like that. Center that. I think I'll put that there. Where should I put this joy to the world? Thinking over here. We'll do that. And then I'm probably not going to use this. So yeah, there's kind of the gist of it. It's super easy. I'm going to go ahead and design my cover real quick. See, maybe this ribbon would look nice on the cover. Just a little bit. A little extra detail. White lace would also look really good. But what I'm thinking is like that. Is that too much? Is it just right? I don't know. Oh, wait, I have it. We'll do some cheesecloth. Just a little bit. Like that much, that's it. I think that would contrast better with the black background. Okay, to start this, I'm just gonna, to make sure I'm getting everything centered, I'm only gonna put a tiny bit of glue on this little snowflake guy. And stick him where I want, but so that there's room for me to stick things under to make sure it's kind of how I want it. Oh yeah, that looks really good. And add some glue to this circle. That looks really good. Glue down the cheesecloth. And finally, add this little Merry Christmas guy right there, I think. If you have any rub-ons or other things, Christmas things, I think this folio is like a perfect base so you can add those on. But that's kind of what I got. I love it. Okay, so let's just do a little quick flip through. So you got the cute cover, just a pretty like neutral theme, but still Christmas. Then you open it up. Got some reds, super cute. Overall, just a pretty simple tutorial, easy layout, really cute. So let me know what you guys think below. I'm trying to think of more and more Christmas themes and Christmas ideas. I'm starting this traditional Christmas line. If you guys have more ideas, just comment them below. Make sure to turn on your notifications, and I will see you next time. Bye!